Hello, I am Vincent from Access team on the delivery in Les Sables d'Olonne. I will show you how we maneuver the boat easily.
Okay, so here Vincent is going to approach the dock from the starboard side to the quay. This is the visitors dock in Les Sables d'Olonne. Vincent will come alongside on his own, getting the aft starboard side of the boat right next to the dock, reversing a little, stepping off the boat. He has prepared his mooring line already, attaching the mooring line to the cleat. He also prepared the forward line ahead of the maneuver on his own, easily grabbing the mooring line. And there you go. He's parked, tied to the dock, very easily accessible from the steering station right onto the dock. Job's done. How to park the XS11 in a cramped marina, where you can see there's two catamarans alongside each other. So not a lot of space to maneuver. Let's see how Vincent does it with this XS11. So Vincent is turning the boat to come starboard hull to the quay with the twin engines. This is easy to do. Coming along the dock, turning to fit just in between the cats, and get the aft of the boat close to the cleat. There you go, one step to the dock, bouncing on the fenders, tying the aft, and then port side forward, which brings the nose close to the dock, grabs the line, readily prepared, and tie the bow. Leaving the dock with Vincent on our XS11, starting the engines. All the main controls are on the starboard helm station. Vincent locks the steering wheel as he will be using the engine controls to maneuver the boat in this tight space in the marina of Les Sables d'Olonne. Check the wind direction, and he decides to untie the bow first. The wind at the moment is coming on our port side. There's a little breeze. Untying the aft, and from the dock he can actually ease on the rope. We're giving some aft on the engine controls from the dock. It's nice and easy, very close position, and then 3 steps and he's at the steering position. Not easy, as he has to pivot the boat to get out of this marina berth, where in front of our XS11 there are two catamarans alongside each other. Therefore you really need to pivot the XS11 to be able to move away from the dock. So Vincent uses a fender, and then with the engine control he turns the bow of the boat, moving away from the two catamarans which were in front of the boat and out of the berth on its way to the open sea.